Let's take a look at another example of solving a system using Cramer's rule. So again, to find the x-coordinate, we take a look at the coefficient matrix from our given matrix, our given system. So the x coefficients go in the first column in our denominator, so 4 and 8 go here. And then the y coordinates go in, the y coefficients go in the second column. So this is 3 and then -1. Now, because we are trying to find the x coordinate of our solution to our system, the s and t values are going to be replacing the x coefficients in our first column here. So it's going to be 6 and -9, and the y coordinates are going to stay the same. So it's going to be 3 and -1. So go through and simplify this. What do we end up with? So 6 times -1 minus -9 times 3. All of that's going to be divided by 4 times -1 minus 8 times 3. Do the simplifying, so that's going to be -6, -9, so the opposite of -9, so 9 times 3, that's 27, so -6 plus 27 divided by, so that's -4, and then 8 times 3 is 24, so minus 24. What do we get? So that is 21 divided by -28. Both of these are divisible by 7, so we can reduce this to be -3/4. So the x-coordinate to the solution to our system is going to be -3/4. So let's take a look at the y-coordinate. The y-coordinate is going to be, so in our denominator, we still have the regular coefficient matrix that we had, the same one from the first, from the x-coordinate. So 4 and 8, which are just the x-coordinates, go in the first column, and then 3 and -1 go in the second column. Now, because we're trying to find the y-coordinate, s and t are going to be replacing the y values in our coefficient matrix. So the x coefficients stay in the first column, and then s and t are going to be in place of the y coefficients. So we have 6 and -9 here. So go through and simplify. We know that the denominator simplifies to be -28 because we did all of that work up above when we were finding the x coordinate. So let's go through and do the 4 times -9 minus 8 times 6. So we get -36 minus 48. All of that divided by -28. So that gives us, what is that, -84. -84 divided by -28. When you do this division, we get, what, 3? 3. So the solution to our system is going to be -3/4, 3. And we solved this using Cramer's rule. So this would be the solution to this system of equations.